yung pag-remand ng impeachment complaint sa House of Representatives is considered a win. Sabi ni Senator Bato de la Rosa. Ito, panoorin natin.
Victory?
Yes. Yes, because the mere fact that the body approved, the court approved for the remanding or the returning of the articles of impeachment to the House of Representatives is a manifestation that they agree to my privileged speech.
Oh, di ba? So that only means that they agree sa privileged speech ni Senator Bato, at imagine mo yun, ha? 18 yung nag-agree sa remanding, and sabi pa ni Senator Bato, yun na rin yun, dismissal na rin yun. Natawa talaga ako dito, guys.
The articles of impeachment, the impeachment complaint is constitutionally infirm.
Pero sir, bakit pumayag? Ang sabi kasi ni Senator,
constitutionally daw infirm. So, as in, nag-a-agree talaga yung 18 na yun, no?
This is tantamount to dismissal eh. So, bakit hindi nila outright dismissal? Bakit meron pang ganito parang Solomone or iniwasan lang yung term na dismissal?
And you should have listened to the explanation. The proponent of the amendment to my motion. Klaro man, in-explain niya, di ba?
Pero para sa inyo, ba tantamount to dismissal na ito kahit pa paano? Para sa inyo?
More or less. More or less. But very clear man doon na returning without dismissing. Ang nakasabi doon sa amendment, di ba? So, hindi din-dismiss. Pero parang ganun na rin yun. Para sa akin.
Ganun na rin yun. O, di ba? Parang ganun na rin.
Kasi, they have to get first the House of Representatives should attest that they did not violate the 1-year bar rule. Diba? Meaning, no multiple impeachment complaints can be filed within 1 year. I doubt if they can attest to that. So, tingnan natin kung anong attestation na gagawin nila. Number 2, they should get the
Communication from the 20th Congress,
communication or whatever from the 20th Congress that they are willing to continue the impeachment. So kailan na makukuha yan? Once the 20th Congress is alive and kicking. Right now, there's no.
Yan yung kinagagalit talaga ni Risa Hontiveros. Kasi guys, sa 20th Congress na talaga siya mangyayari yung trial. At hindi daw talaga yan aanuhin ng 20th Congress kasi 'di ba? Bakit pa nila tatalakayin yan hindi naman sa kanila nang galing yung parang sabi na nga, hindi nila mababind yung 19th tsaka 20th Congress sa mga batas na ginawa nila or mga rules nila, hindi nila pwede dalhin sa 20th Congress. Kaya guys, it's as if it is dismissed talaga. 'Di ba? Yun talaga yung kinagagalit nila Hontiveros at Coco Pimentel.
20th Congress.
Victory?
So, yun na nga guys. Grabe no, parang kung hindi siguro sila nagmadali at ngayong araw na to dapat sila mag-convene as impeachment court. May isang araw pa talaga dapat sila na hindi nagagalit. Kasi, 'di ba? Sa pagmamadali kasi, sa pagpipilit kasi, yan. 'Di ba? Pinipilit kasi nila yung tuloy. Nakakatawa talaga yung mga pangyayari kagabi guys. As in, kung nanood pa kayo, grabe. Parang talaga, totoo yung sinabi ni Senator Amy Marcos na wag na tayong wag na tayong alam mo yung show, tawag doon. ganito talaga yun kasi parang show talaga siya. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Bye. God bless.